Tie Bar 0.5. So if you're Andrew 0.5, do you think it would be because the bottom half of your body is cut off, or it's because you're only wearing clothes on your top half?
I think we're just gonna have to wait and see.
Spoiler alert, you're not gonna see our bottom half. This is Tyler coming at you from SportRx with my buddy Andrew, and we're gonna talk to you about the Tie Bar 0.5. All frame information, including pricing and other goodies like a blog, are gonna be down in the description below. Make sure to check that out. But let's just jump right into it. This Tie Bar 0.5 is a new addition to Oakley's ophthalmic line, and it's pretty cool.
It is. So this is following the popularity of the Tie Bar, which released back in January. But this, and actually we have a separate review for that. Yeah, so if you're interested, we have links for that. But this one, as you can see, it's missing the bottom of the frame.
Exactly. So yes, 0.5 denotes a consistency in Oakley's naming convention. It means that the lens is semi-rimless, or in this case, a grooved rimless, which a lot of people really like. It's a little more of a minimalistic design, and it definitely helps to keep it lightweight. But even beyond that, this is a full titanium frame. That's
correct. So super, super lightweight, but also very strong. So if you're looking for something like an eyeglass, something that's gonna just be a go-to option for kind of daily wear, something you aren't really gonna feel on your face that much, this is a great option.
Yeah, a lot of people really like titanium frames because they're super lightweight but also incredibly durable. But this is really unique, especially for Oakley, in that literally the entire frame outside the lens is titanium. You have that, what do you call it, rolled
titanium temples.
Rolled titanium temple, which is pretty nice, gives you a little bit extra grip even though there isn't any actual grip material on it. It even has a metal nose pad.
Exactly, yep, grip fit nose pads there, kind of following the whole theme of the all titanium frame.
Very unique, and something to note, they are definitely interchangeable, the nose pads are, in case you really like the silicone classic nose pad, you can definitely put those on, but I think it's a really unique and really cool feature on this. Not to downplay, the other really cool feature on this is the latch system.
Exactly.
So there are a few other frames, then you should definitely check out our other YouTube videos for Oakley, because there are a lot of good other frame reviews there, but the latch system is to help keep it on your shirt.
It's right there.
Look at that. Yeah. Look, that looks so good. I can pick you upside down and shake you, and they're not gonna, I'm not gonna do that though. No. But it's gonna stay on your shirt. It's gonna stay clipped. You bend over to grab something. It's not gonna fall off, scratch lenses, and you'd be bummed. But yeah, why don't we jump into the fact that there are two frame sizes, a medium and then more of a large size. And I have, which one do I grab? The medium. Why don't you throw these on? I think those look pretty good on you, more of a medium fit. And that's the 54 eye size. And then more of the large fit, which is a 56. You can see it on the face, and they're super comfortable.
You want to try these on? Just show them,
yeah,
give them some reference.
I have that. So 54 denotes the eye size, which means the lens width is 54 millimeters on this. The lens height is 36 millimeters on this guy, with the bridge width coming in at 16 millimeters, and you have a temple to temple width of 133. So that's a good medium, maybe even medium to large fit. And then with the 56, you have, again, the eye size is 56 millimeters, the width, and then the lens height is 37.5 because it is bigger all the way around. It's not just wider. Bridge measurement is the same at 16 millimeters, but that temple to temple, being that it's a wider frame, comes in at 137 millimeters. The temple length on both of these is 135 millimeters. So a pretty good right down the middle length for the temple, and it should be a good fit for anybody who's a medium to large, maybe even extra large.
I would agree.
Yeah, so hopefully this was helpful. Give us a thumbs up if it was. Don't forget to check out the description down below. Comment with any questions, or just talk about how great they look on our face. We'd love to hear it, only if it's positive. Just kidding, whatever you want to say. We love it. All right, see you out there.